H3 continuation. HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. Okay, so it is a tag based or script level programming language. HTML is not used to write any software. Okay, it is used to write a web page. Okay, so all web pages in the internet are mostly wrote by this language. Okay, so HTML is a language which is used to create web pages, not software. Okay, so it was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Why the name HTML? See, H means hyper. Okay, so hyper means it creates link to other pages. That is, in the internet we are going from one page to another page. Okay, that is with the help of link. So this language will create the link in the pages. So we are calling hyper. And text means written by English language. And markup means we will write this language by using tags. Okay, by using this symbol. Okay, so all the syntax and statement are wrote by using these tags. So that is, this tag is called markup. And then language. So language means that is used for okay. So the name hypertext markup language. Next is editor and file extension. See, we want to write this language HTML. Okay, so for writing this language we need a platform. So the platform is known as editor. So commonly we will write this language by using Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, Notepad or Notepad++ is commonly used for writing this language. After writing this language, we will save the file as .html or .htm. Okay, so .html and .htm are the file extension of HTML files. After writing this language, we want to bring output. Okay, so for bringing output we will use web browsers. So HTML is executed in the web browser. Commonly we can use the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, these browsers will output the language. Okay, so we will write by using Notepad, and we will execute by using the browser. Okay, so HTML language is written by using the Notepad or Notepad++, and executed with the help of these browsers. See, this is the basic syntax of HTML. Okay, the HTML language should be written by starting with the tag HTML tag. Okay, so here we wrote the language by using these tags. Okay, so these tags, there will be opening tag and the closing tag. In the closing tag, there will be a backslash. Okay, in HTML syntax, there will be always a opening tag and a closing tag. In closing tag, there will be a backslash. Okay, the page in see here we wrote head tag, title tag, and body tag. Okay, only the body tag will be produces. Only the body tag will be bring as output. Okay, so other thing will be not available in web pages. Only the statement written between the body. Only the statement written between the body tag will be, and these are the basic tags. HTML basic tag to start the pages, and body tag is the main content of the pages that is visible. Okay, and head tag to create header, and title tag to create title, and h1 tag. Okay, so this h1 to h6. So h1 will be the bigger size, h2 will be somewhat smaller. So like that. Okay, so this is used to write heading in bold, and p tag is used to write paragraph, and /br tag, this is used to break the line, and table tag. Okay, table tag is used to create tables in the web pages, and tr tag is used to write the table row, and td tag is used to write the table data, and th tag is used to write the table heading or column. Okay, so we will write this language by using tags. Okay, so these are the commonly used tags for writing for creating web pages. Another tag is ul tag. Okay, ul is unordered list to make list of elements, and li is to list the elements, and a anchor tag. Okay, see, I already told that hypertext documents will move from one page to another page. Okay, so with the help of link. Okay, so that link will created by this anchor tag, a tag, and href. Okay, href variable that is used to insert the anchor tag for navigation purpose. Okay, and href is not a tag, it's a variable that is used in the anchor tag. And hr tag. Okay, hr is horizontal line, and img is used to put an image tag, and marq. Okay, marq means in the web pages you will see the scrolling text. Okay, scrolling text. Okay, so that scrolling text will be done by using the marq tag. And svp tag. svp is to create superscript, and svb is to create subscript number or letter. Okay, so these are the basic tags that is commonly used in HTML. Thank you.